It was a beautiful spring morning, and the sun filtered through the treetops in Central Park. Chloe was stressed from work and needed to unwind. She decided to go for a walk in the park during her lunch break. As she strolled down the windy path, she was surrounded by the vibrant colors of blooming flowers and the cheerful chirps of birds. Her worries melted away with each step. By the time she returned to work, she was rejuvenated and more productive for the rest of the day. The first parks were established in the mid-1800s to provide people access to open green spaces in crowded cities. In the 1920s, physicians started recommending nature therapy to improve patients' mental and physical health. Walking in nature became recognized as an accessible way for people to release stress, gain perspective, and experience the restorative effects of being outside. March 30 was designated Take a Walk in the Park Day to encourage people to get outside and enjoy the benefits of walking in the natural setting. Spending just 20 minutes walking in a park can strengthen your memory, boost your mood, and increase relaxation. The sounds, smells, and the sights of nature have a calming influence that can make worries and everyday stresses feel more manageable. Walking in parks also fosters a sense of community as people engage with others, also enjoying the open space. On Take a Walk in the Park Day, people make an extra effort to take a stroll in their local parks. Some pack a picnic lunch to bring their dogs along for the walk. Community organizations host park cleanups and beautification events, opening restored green spaces for all to enjoy. Many parks offer range-guided walking tours highlighting the area's natural features, wildlife, and history. Take a Walk in the Park Day is a simple holiday, but an important reminder to reconnect with nature wherever possible. Incorporating just one walk in the park each week or each month can do wonders for both your physical and mental health. A large, vibrant park provides sanctuary from the everyday chaos of life, transporting you to a calmer state of being, if only for a brief moment in time. On this day and every day, take a stroll in the park and let nature soothe your senses. Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. March 30 is Take a Walk in the Park Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Take a Walk in the Park Day. Cheers!